Welcome to Speaking Academy. Today we bring you the story, The Busy Market. Discover useful A2 English vocabulary as you listen. Have fun! Next, let's look at the key English words. These words will make the story easier to understand. Here are the words: wallet, stall, ripe, bench, pavement, bouquet, musician, guitar, breeze, and cozy. The busy market. David wakes up early and decides to go to the market. He takes a bag, his wallet, and a shopping list. The sun is shining, and the streets are busy with people walking, cars passing, and bikes moving quickly. The smell of fresh bread from a nearby bakery fills the air. At the market, David sees many stalls with colorful vegetables, fresh fruit, bread, and cheese. He talks politely to the sellers, asks the price of each item, and carefully pays for what he needs. He notices a cat sitting near a stall and a dog running around happily. The smells of fresh bread, ripe fruit, and flowers make him hungry and cheerful. David walks to a small park nearby. He sits on a bench, eats a snack, drinks some water, and enjoys watching children play with balls and kites. Some children run past him, laughing, while others draw on the pavement with chalk. Birds fly above and sing in the trees. A couple of people jog along the path, and a man walks his dog. After resting for a while, he decides to walk back home slowly. On the way, he notices a flower shop and buys a small bouquet for his mother. He also sees a street musician playing a guitar and listens to a few songs. He shows the fruit, bread, and flowers to his family when he gets home. They smile and thank him, and they eat dinner together, enjoying a cozy evening. In the evening, David reads a storybook, drinks a cup of tea, and thinks about his busy day. The streets are quiet now, and the night sky is filled with stars. The soft sound of a breeze and distant traffic makes him feel relaxed. He feels happy, tired, and safe as he goes to bed, dreaming about another fun day at the market. Good work! You finished Season 1. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!